Hello guys, this is William from Artofspeedracing.ca. Today I'm showing a video about how to install and hardwiring Blackvue dash camera with Power Magic box to the vehicle. So the first step we need to do is testing the battery. If your battery is lower than the configure voltage setting, which is 11.8 or 12 voltage, then the Power Magic box won't work on your vehicle. So let's test it. So this is a multimeter, and then you can just test your battery voltage. So right now my battery voltage when the vehicle parked is 13.44. So when I started my vehicle, probably the voltage is gonna be hitting to 14.8 something, somewhere around there. So testing your battery before installation, which is really important. So we're gonna move on to hardwiring steps. So the constant power I'm gonna wire is the number 15 amp door lock fuse, and then the accessory power is gonna be number 9, 15 amp for the cigarette cable fuse. So let's start it. So I plug in the constant power fuse adapter and the accessory fuse adapter to door locker and then cigarette adapter fuses. So we will tie the grounding kit right now. So this is the grounding bolt I found on my left side of dash. You know, actually you can grounding the wire to any metal bolts which connect to your vehicle chassis, as long as the bolt is pretty sensitive to the grounding wire. So the grounding wire is properly connected to the metal bolt on my left side of dash. So now we are going to check if the power is running through the Power Magic Pro Plus properly or not. So let's check the power is powered correctly to the Power Magic Pro or not. front. Yes, the LED indicator lights is on. Rear, check it. Okay, the power is going through all properly. So right now we're gonna checking the accessory wire running through the PowerMagic Pro properly or not. So we are going to check it right now. The accessory power. I turn the power to accessory. On. Both of front and rear on. Okay. So which means the power is running through properly for the accessory power. It should be off very quick. Yeah. It's all good. Okay, this is the last step because I connect the constant power to the door lock and then accessory power to the cigarette lighter socket fuses. So I'm gonna test the door lock is running properly or not. So it's locked, and then you can see the door lock will open. Okay, that's not a big problem. And then we're gonna check the cigarette socket power running properly or not. So first I'm gonna turn on my power to accessory, and then I'm gonna plug in cable in it. So actually it's running properly, so it's all good. So yeah, actually the wiring is properly, so you don't need to worry about it. This is a must-do step. Using the electric tape to tape the cigarette adapter to the socket. Make sure it's making tight. When you drive, it's not loosened. So the wiring is from right here, go all the way down B pillar, and then go all the way to the center, and then take the rubber pieces off, go all the way down to the bottom. That's the place cigarette socket located. So yeah, when you get everything down, just plug in the cable properly. It should be good. Okay. So most of the wires are hidden already. I just open the A pillar and then it will go all the way through A pillar right there, and then go all the way down to the bottom. So yeah, the cigarette socket is right there, and then we just need to plug the cable into the cigarette socket. Actually there's already one cigarette socket underneath, so what we really need to do is just hiding another cigarette socket in the panel, and then I think we are done. So the rubber pieces, I put it back already. And then just a quick tip for you guys. Usually for a curve angle, you should check every spot, push it in gently and nicely, especially like this part. If you miss it, then the water might go in through the rubber pieces, gonna damage your rubber pieces. So just push all the way in and then just double check. Clean all the wires and then zip tie, make everything clean, hiding the socket. The cigarette socket, there's a two. Just make sure everything is clean and neat, and then we're gonna put the panel back. So the installation is all done, and then we are testing the camera right now. Gonna turn on the front one. Okay. The Blackvue DR500GW start working. I just turn it on. Then let's see. I think it should work properly.
Blackvue for your safe driving. Starting normal recording.
Okay. The Blackvue DR500G start recording right now. And then we're just gonna turn it off to see if it works or not. So I'm just going to turn it off.
The Blackvue is now shutting down.
Okay, Blackvue is turned off, and I'm gonna turn on the back one. Light is on. Okay, it's start normal recording, and then if I switch it off, let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, it's gonna turn it off. Okay, just off. You hear the ding dong sound. Okay. So guys, this is all the hardwiring videos for Blackvue PowerMagic Pro series. PowerMagic Pro, PowerMagic, or PowerMagic Plus. It's all the same. So if you guys have any questions or if you guys have any difficulty to hardwiring Blackvue PowerMagic series, please send an email to us. We can help you out to get the hardwiring done properly, or if you have some trouble with that, we can do the troubleshooting for you, or we definitely want to share our experience to help you out. Thanks guys, stay tuned.